Hey guys, this is an old shirt of mine. If anybody who has one, like this one right here, like this shirt, this old shirt right here, if somebody has this exact one, send it to me. This one has holes in it. This one is a good shirt. I'd like to get like a replacement shirt to replace this one. It has to look exactly like this. It has to be the exact same manufactured type of shirt that looks exactly like this one. It has to be the exact same shirt. The exact same shirt. Like this one right here. This shirt has holes in it. I'll show you where the holes are. You'll understand why I want to get like another one that's same make. Same, like, here's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a little hole. Okay, there's another hole right here. And another hole right here. And yeah. This shirt has holes all in it. And I like to get this exact same one, but one that doesn't have holes in it. If y'all could find a way to get another shirt like this one, the exact same kind of shirt like this one without the holes in it, I would be thankful. This was a good shirt. And I'm not going to be able to get I'm not going to be able to have one unless if a shirt like this magically appeared by some black magic from Hecate and the Gray sisters to actually make or magically replicate this shirt, but in a better condition than this one. But if somebody could help me out getting another shirt like this, it would be greatly appreciated.